Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my favorite home-style dishes, stir-fried pork belly with onions.
Just look at that. The pork is golden and a little crispy on the edges. The onions are glossy and sweet. This dish smells absolutely amazing.
Let's get started.
First, grab an onion and cut it into chunks. Not too small, you want to keep some bite. Next, slice the pork belly nice and even, not too thick, not too thin. Then we will chop up a few bird's eye chilies and some garlic greens.
If you don't like spicy food, feel free to skip the chilies or swap them for red bell pepper for color. Alright, everything is ready, let's cook.
We are not adding oil first. Just heat up your wok and toss in the pork belly. Keep stir frying. You will see the fat start to render out, and that's exactly what we want. Once the pork starts to get a little brown, add in the chilies. Let that spice bloom. Smells so good already. Now toss in the onions. Give everything a good mix. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, about 1.5 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of Chinese 13 spices. Crank up the heat and stir fry for another minute or so until the onions are soft and fragrant. Right before we finish, add the garlic greens. Give everything a quick toss, and we are done. Look at that, glossy, flavorful, and totally mouth-watering. This is the kind of dish that makes you want an extra bowl of rice, right?
Let me try a bite. The pork is rich and savory, and the onions are sweet and perfectly cooked. Absolutely delicious. Simple, home style, and full of flavor. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.